Hi, this is Mrs. Grosfon, instructional coach for Logansport High School, and I wanted to just go over sort of an overview of your Chromebook. Your Chromebook is ready when you are, and that is one of their original taglines. It is ready because it's designed to help you get things done faster and easier. Chromebooks run the Chrome operating system, which has the best of Google built in with cloud storage and security. So, and for schools, what's great is there are lots of free educational apps. So we can add those pretty easily. What I wanted to familiarize you with at this point was you'll notice down here, we have on this shelf here at the bottom, we have a launcher. And so I wish this notification would go away. Hold on, let me close that. We have this apps launcher. And right now it doesn't look like much, but if I click this arrow, then I can see some of the different apps that are here. And yours is maybe going to look a little different than mine does right now. That's because I've been moving some things around and making some folders. So if for any reason you really want, let's say, your Google Drive icon to be first, you can click and drag that in front of another app. Let me move this around first and try it again this way. Oh, it doesn't want to do it. Let me try it that way. Okay. So now my Google Drive is first, my Chrome is second. You'll notice I've got two here and I've called it productivity. So this is now a folder. And the way I got these two together was I clicked and I dragged one of the icons, and now you can see all three. I'm going to start from scratch. Let's see if I can get, let's throw Screencast-O-Matic and Cami together. Nope. Wow. We're going to try that again. I think I might have been doing it too quickly. So I'm going to slowly, there we go. Okay, so you can see I'm just dragging it. Now I have two together, but I need this folder to be named. I just did a single click in there. And so maybe if I just want to call this, I'm just going to, right now, I'm going to call it Education Apps just to have a title there. So now those are together. So if you start to amass a large collection of apps, this might be something you're interested in. These two dots right here tell me that I have another page of apps. And so that's nice to know that I could probably go to a third page and a fourth page. Now I'm noticing that my Gmail icon is not down here with all these other things, and I'm a big Gmail user. So I'm going to double click on this. I'm going to put two fingers on the trackpad, and I'm actually going to click Pin to Shelf. I want that to be there every day, whether this is open or not. So I'll go ahead and click this again. So if there are apps you love and you know you're going to use a lot and you don't want to go through the steps, and if you want to move them around, I'll go ahead and actually I'm going to make this one first, and then I think I'll make Drive second, and I'll put Chrome right there. Now I've got Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Google Keep after some of the browser and the Drive icon. So over here is where I'm going to have notifications. I'm going to be able to get to my settings. So I'm actually going to click in this status tray, this area. I've got all sorts of things I can look at. And you'll notice I have a picture of a Shih Tzu wearing glasses because that's my dog that I added, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. I've got a chance to sign out, to shut down, to deal with locking my device, deal with other settings. I'll get to that in a second. So now I can see what Wi-Fi I'm connected to, if my Bluetooth is on or not. And I'm going to click on this notifications. I actually like to know what's going on, so I can manage those notifications there. Click this arrow. We can check out some of the other things. We can deal with our volume. We can deal with the brightness. I'm actually going to click back now, like I said, on that settings cog or gear. And maybe you don't like the picture that Google gave you when you logged in. Mine was, it was fine. It was just not necessarily something I would choose. So one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to personalization, and I'm going to go over here to change device account image. And you can see I've selected this one. This was the original picture It's cute, but it's not my dog. So I actually went to my files, and I know a lot of you will have images in your files and you know how to find things and add them. So let's see here. I'm going to try to find, I'm thinking about looking at, here's my niece. I'll just go ahead and click this one since we can see that we have this image. And there she's been uploaded and it's automatically set. So if I'm going to scroll down, I'm going to double check to see if actually it's not letting me scroll up or down there for a second. Okay. Now it is. Now it is. So I'm just using 2 fingers up, 2 fingers down, 2 fingers up, 2 fingers down. So now it's working. So we can go back now and I'm going to close this and let's just kind of start fresh and see if that new image stuck in there, and we can see that it did. So you can change that. Maybe if something in your life changes and you want to change your profile picture, then I know that that personalization will mean a lot to you, and getting things in the order you want them will help you be more efficient. So there's lots more to learn, but for now, play around with personalizing your apps and your shelf down here so that you know where everything is. If you have any questions, please come see me in D128.